Good day, I am Jennifer Notarte, a 24-year-old Filipina from the Philippines. My hobbies are watching movies, listening to music. I also love singing, dancing, traveling, and of course, I love to learn new things and accept new challenges in life. My father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife. I have three siblings. The firstborn is my brother Michael Notarte. Next is my sister Judy Notarte. Next is me, and the last one is my brother James Notarte. Since he was born, I am the one who took good care of him because my mother was away that time. And now my brother is in high school, and I am the one who support her financially. Um, I paid her. I paid tuition fees and allowances, of course. I love to become an Uber because I love to babysit kids. I want to take good care of kids and tutor them, make over them, and of course, I want to be part of someone's life growing up. I really love to learn new things, especially culture in European culture. And becoming an Uber is my dream since I was a kid. I prefer girl since I am a beautician. I want to make over them, prepare them for school. I want to tie their hair, style their hair, put makeup on them, and ages 5 years old and above. And I love to become an au pair for at least 2 years or even more when my host family want me to stay longer for them. And my ideal host family is kind, generous, God-fearing family, family-oriented, and of course, a family that who accepts me as one of the member of the family. And I will do my very best if I will be given a chance to take this or opportunity to become an au pair. Thank you so much and have a good day.